The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a special marine warning for inner waters from Point Lubbock to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina and Anacapa Islands, until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Santa Monica Pier, or 15 nautical miles east of Malibu, moving west at 50 knots. This thunderstorm should continue to move west to southwest through 7 p.m. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail, along with frequent lightning. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Point Doom and Malibu. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until this storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. Offers a special marine warning for the following inner waters from Point Lubbock to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. The National Weather Service in Oxnard has issued a special marine warning for inner waters from Point Lubbock to San Mateo Point, California, including Santa Catalina and Anacapa Islands, until 7 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. At 5:55 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Santa Monica Pier, or 15 nautical miles east of Malibu, moving west at 50 knots. This thunderstorm should continue to move west to southwest through 7 p.m. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail, along with frequent lightning. Source: radar indicated. Impact: small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Point Doom and Malibu. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm. You're listening to a weather radar station KW037, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. This station is operated by the National